In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to flip an object in Adobe Illustrator quickly and correctly. Whether you want to mirror a shape, reverse text, create symmetrical designs, or flip graphics for logos and layouts, this is one of those simple but essential tools you need to know. I'll walk you through both vertical and horizontal flipping step by step so you can follow along easily. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Illustrator and make sure your document is ready with the object you want to flip. This can be a shape, an icon, text, a group of elements, or even a complex illustration. The flipping method works the same way for almost everything inside Illustrator. Now, the very first step is to select the object. Go over to your toolbar and choose the selection tool. The shortcut for that is the letter V on your keyboard. Once the selection tool is active, click directly on the object you want to flip. You should see a bounding box appear around it, which tells you the object is selected and ready to be transformed. With your object selected, go up to the top menu and click on Object. From the drop-down menu, hover over Transform. This will open a secondary menu that contains several transformation options like Move, Rotate, Scale, Shear, and the one we're focusing on today, Reflect. Click on Reflect. As soon as you do that, a Reflect dialog box will appear. This is where you choose how you want the object to flip. If you want to flip the object from left to right, like creating a mirror image across a vertical line, choose Vertical. This option reflects the object along a vertical axis, meaning the left side becomes the right side, and vice versa. Once vertical is selected, click OK. And just like that, your object is flipped horizontally across the page. Now let's look at the other option. If you want to flip the object from top to bottom, choose Horizontal in the Reflect dialog box instead. This reflects the object along a horizontal axis, meaning the top becomes the bottom and the bottom becomes the top. After selecting Horizontal, click OK, and your object will instantly flip vertically. It's really that simple, but here's a quick bonus tip. Before you click OK in the Reflect window, you can press the Preview checkbox. This lets you see exactly how the flip will look before you apply it. It's especially useful when working on precise designs or symmetrical layouts. Another helpful trick is using the Copy button instead of OK. If you click Copy, Illustrator will create a flipped duplicate of your object while keeping the original in place. This is perfect for creating mirrored designs, logos, badges, or symmetrical artwork without having to manually duplicate and align everything yourself. So just to quickly recap, select your object using the Selection tool with the shortcut V, go to Object, then Transform, then Reflect, choose either vertical to flip left to right, or horizontal to flip top to bottom, and then click OK. That's all there is to it. Flipping objects is a small skill, but it makes a huge difference when building professional designs in Illustrator. Once you start using it regularly, it becomes second nature and saves you a lot of time. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Adobe Illustrator tips and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.